Alrighty, we are back here in the Raw app. We have added a brand new feature called purchase orders. Now, this right here is the first release of purchase order version 1, but we're working to make better and greater releases, more efficient, more effective, more demure, more mindful, more cutesy. But this is what we got right now. Let's take a look at it. If you update your app, you got the newest app version, you scroll down, there's a section called purchase order. When you click on it, the list section will list all the existing purchase orders that's out there, whether approved, denied, or on standby. It gives us full transparency and full visibility of what we are doing to make sure we're operating and in transparency and humility. Let me go ahead and put this in focus mode so I don't get a random phone call. But yes, this is what we got going on over here. The order section is where you would create an order. So let's just say you need to place an order for 10 chairs, or you need to place or your department needs an order for new software, or your department needs an order for 4 shirts. You place the request name, which is, it would be 4 shirts. You select the event that's attached to the order. No one should be placing any order in this ministry unless it's attached to an event. It has to be attached because we need to make sure that everyone's donation is well accounted for, that everyone's contribution is well accounted for within this ministry. Then you'd place the product link, whether it's an Amazon link or eBay link, a Timu's link, or whatever type of link it is. When do you need this order by? Don't be placing orders out here that you place the order at 5 p.m. You need it by 6 p.m. That's not well planned. The reason we're taking this path is because we need to make sure that we are executing with wisdom and being good stewards, because the finance team is being overwhelmed of all the last minute purchases that requires approvals, that requires consent. So now we're just placing this on the app so you can plan in advance. Best thing is to place your orders at least 5 days in advance. If there's a last minute emergency, you can contact, we would need approval from finance and one of the co-founders of the ministry, which is Evangelist Stevenson, or my wife, which is Deirdre Gerard. We need approval from basically 2 tiers of approval. Why we're doing last minute, how can we do it? And on here, when you'll select status as new, or if it's a refund request, typically it's always new. Then the status will change as it goes along. When a request is submitted, it comes in as new. Then it's sent for approval and it goes into a review. Finance team will either decline it, approve it, select more information needed, purchase, product, and then we can keep going. Product in transit, product delivered, order delivered, receipt uploaded, completed. 2 approvals, first approved, second approved. It's a tracking system used to make sure that we're as organized and structured. You'll put the amount here. If it's $39, you don't have to put the dollar sign, but you have to put 4 digits on the dollar amount and the cents. Even if it's 0 cents, you put 3900. The reason why you need it, and you submit the request. From that point on, we're going to actually do something here. The link has to be a URL. I would advise just to copy and paste something from Amazon or whatever, but it has to be a full URL. It's HTTP colon. I already forgot how to do URLs. But I think it's www.amazon. Let's just do amazon.com, and then it's HTTPS. If you just copy your URL from the site, you won't have this issue. Yeah, right there, HTTPS. Yeah, I think this is how it goes. Let's just get a good Amazon link here, because I forgot how to do orders, URLs. Let's click on anything. Let's click on this shelf, and then we'll click on this. You just click that arrow upwards. You click copy. Let me see. I forgot how to do URLs. There you go. HTTPS. There you go. Paste that there. Need by, let's just say July 13th. Status will be new. Amount, and then reason I need this. Be very detailed, please, for the 25, for the M&M event, M&M event as a demo, and this, and why you need it. This will help with organizing the materials. If it's not detailed enough, we're going to kick it back for more information. Make this easier for the finance team. Provide all the information in one go so we don't have to go back and forth with multiple text messages. No additional notes is needed. Then you click submit request. Oh, must be at least 20 words. Yep, it has to be very detailed. If it's not 20 words, you're not detailed enough. I need this for the M&M event as a demo, and this will help organizing the materials that will be produced. You can't come out here and say we just need this for food. No, we have to do this a little better. What we produce for storing books and magazines. Funding, you can see the funding request was created. So now if you actually go back to list, it shows that Evangelist Stevenson submitted request. Request name is 4 shirts, the link, the amount, and then finance team will either come here and place some notes. You can also place notes like, is there an update? You can place notes yourself if you want, and you can also edit your request if something was wrong. Finance team will come in here. Obviously, if you don't have access, you can't see it, and you don't need to see it because this is for finance team to see. This not for you. But this is what it looks like for the common community. This will help us remain organized. It will help us remain structured. It will help us become better stewards of what God has given us. We're not out here wasting money. We want to use everyone's dollar to the best of our ability and to stretch it as much as possible. So please use the purchase order going forth. If you have any feedback or anything that you would see that is right or that we should use, let us know. We're here to make things better. We're not here to make your life miserable. But the text messages, the phone calls, the last minute, I'm at the store, can I purchase this? We shouldn't do this if we're planning and being good stewards of the activities and the event. And the people that are coming and joining our event, they deserve the best of our abilities, which is the best planning. And if something is last minute, things happen. Okay, no worries. You're going to just have to get 2 approvals to get that approved. And most likely, unless it's an urgent, we will probably decline it because it defeats the tracking purposes for invoice and also for tax purposes. This is Evangelist Stevenson. We love you. You're doing a great job. We're doing a great job. We're growing together. We're applying tech using automation and AI skills to make our life more stress-free and streamlined. We love you very much. Have a good one.